Hello, students. Welcome back to your geography class. I am Miss Jainisha, and today we begin with the fourth chapter, climate. In this chapter, we will understand climate influences and human activity involvement, that is, movement, food, dressing, and shelter. We will also understand the climate variations in different parts of India, and we will explore the reason for such climatic variation. What is climate? Climate is a characteristic condition of the atmosphere near the Earth's surface at a certain place on Earth. It refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time. It is the long-term weather of that area which remains same for at least 30 years. So climate can be described as the general and composite weather conditions and variations over a long period of time and over a large area. So the kind of climate remains constant in a particular place for at least 30 to 35 years. When you talk about climate, it is basically, you saw in the last class, we have learned about the landforms of India. So there are two or three basic elements that one learns about the natural element of environment of any area. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to talk about the atmospheric conditions. Atmospheric conditions that prevail in a particular area. So we will discuss things like why do we wear woolens in December? Why is it hot and uncomfortable in the month of May? Why does it rain in June, July? Okay, so all these answers we are going to be looking into. So climate refers to the sum total of the weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, that is more than 30 to 35 years. Then what is weather? Okay, weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The elements of both weather and climate are same. It is the combination of temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind, cloudiness, and other atmospheric conditions at a specific time. So elements that make elements of both weather and climate are same. That is temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind, cloudiness, okay, and all the other atmospheric conditions. But weather and climate are two different things. Climate is the sum total of the weather conditions, whereas weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. So weather refers to the state of atmosphere. So in these two states of atmosphere, there are common elements, that is in climate and weather, the common elements, that is temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, are all same. Weather is a variable entity. It varies slowly, but it can also change very quickly, even violently within just a few hours. In spite of the fickleness of the weather, there is always some commonality for some days, weeks, or even months. During some months, the days are hot and not even a single speck of cloud is seen in the sky. In contrast, some other months, sky is overcast with clouds and it rains very, very often. On the basis of these broad weather conditions, a year is divided into seasons such as summer, winter, rainy. So season is one of the divisions of the year associated with the particular type of weather. The word monsoon, when you look at Indians right now, we are in the monsoon season. So this word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which literally means seasons. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during the year. The world is divided into a number of climatic conditions and climatic regions. The climate of India is described as monsoon type, that is seasonal reversal in the wind. This type of climate is found in South and Southeast Asia, but there are perceptible regional variations in climatic conditions within the country. So, the world is segregated into a number of climatic regions. The climate of India is called monsoon type. In Asia, this kind of climate is found in the south and southeast. However, the regional variations in the country in terms of the climate differ. In summers, the mercury is very high, like it can touch 50 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan, whereas it's only 20 degrees Celsius in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. In winters, at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir, the temperature goes as low as 45 degrees Celsius, while in the Thiruvananthapuram, it is only 22 degrees Celsius. And this is at the same time. Similarly, temperatures also vary. In Thar Desert, it is 50 degrees Celsius in the afternoon and it goes down to 15 degrees Celsius at night. However, there is no noticeable difference between the temperatures of Andaman and Nicobar Islands or Kerala at night. So there are perceptible regional variations in the climatic conditions within a country, and two important elements are the temperature and the precipitation, which varies from place to place and season to season. So in certain places, there is a wide difference between the day and night temperature. Like we spoke about the Thar Desert, where the day temperature may rise to 50 degrees and it drops to 15 degrees in the same night. On the other hand, there is hardly any difference in the day and night temperatures of Andaman Nicobar or in Kerala. But if you look at precipitation, there are variations not only in the form and type of precipitation, but also the amount and the seasonal distribution. So we spoke about the difference in temperature. We are at precipitation. So precipitation varies in form, type, and amount, and seasonal distribution. It is in the form of snowfall in the upper parts of Himalayas. It rains in the rest of the country. The annual precipitation varies from 400 centimeters in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Most parts of the country receive rainfall from June to September, but Tamil Nadu coast get rainfall during October and November. Rainfall generally decreases from east to west in the northern plains. These variations have given rise to variety in the lives of people, their food, their clothes, and their houses. Vegetation can affect both temperature and the precipitation pattern in an area. So just to sum up what we have done, we know that there is uneven distribution of precipitation, and while the precipitation in Himalayas is in the form of rainfall, in other parts of the country it's rainfall, and in Himalayas it is snowfall. Okay, and also the amount can vary. So it could be 400 centimeters in Meghalaya, and it could be less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh. Okay, the seasonal contrasts are more in the interior of the country. There is decrease in rainfall as we move from east to west in northern plains, and these variations have given rise to so many varieties in the life of people in the form of food. Food that they eat will change, the clothes they wear will change, the houses they live in change. All these changes take place. Okay, so now with this, I end today's class. Vegetation will also affect both temperature and precipitation patterns in an area. So stay home, stay safe. We've just introduced climate today. We are going to study this chapter, very interesting chapter, easy also. For your homework, I want you all to draw I want you all to make a collage of climate on the first page, on one page of your notebook. Write down the name of the chapter, and I want you to do vegetation, precipitation, difference in temperature, monsoon, what is weather, what is climate. I want you all to depict in the picture form, pictorial way. You will draw something, okay, that will be like your cover page for this chapter. Okay, nice, lovely drawing. And once you do it, I want you to click a picture and send it to me. All right. So with this, I end today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and keep learning. Thank you.